If you want to know how to lasso in Photopea, this video will walk you through it step by step in the simplest way possible. The Lasso tool is one of the most useful selection tools in Photopea because it lets you draw around an object by hand so you can cut it out, move it, mask it, or edit just that one area without affecting the rest of the image. And the best part is, Photopea gives you multiple lasso options depending on what kind of selection you need. So whether you are trying to select a person, a product, or a straight-edged object, there is a lasso tool for that. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips. Now let's jump in. First, open Photopea and look over to the left side toolbar. You want to find the lasso icon, which looks like a loop of rope. In most cases, it is located a few tools down on the toolbar. When you find it, do not just click once and move on, because Photopea actually hides 3 different lasso tools inside that same icon. Click and hold or right-click on the lasso icon to open the tool menu. Here you will see the Standard Lasso tool, the Polygonal Lasso, and the Magnetic Lasso. Let's start with the Standard Lasso tool. This is the best choice when you want to make a completely freehand selection around something with soft, irregular, or organic edges. Think of things like hair, clouds, trees, fabric, or any shape that does not have perfectly straight lines. Once the Standard Lasso tool is selected, click and hold your mouse button down, then draw around the object you want to select. Keep tracing the shape carefully, and when you get back to your starting point, release the mouse to close the selection. If you do it correctly, you will see the flashing dashed outline, often called marching ants, around your selected object. That means the selection is active and ready to use. Now, if you're working with something more geometric, like a sign, building, box, or any object with straight edges, the Polygonal Lasso is a better option. This tool is designed for precise, straight line selections. Instead of clicking and dragging in one continuous motion, you click once to start, then click again at each corner or edge change. Photopea will connect the points with straight lines for you. When you return to your starting point and close the shape, the selection becomes active. This is really helpful when you need clean, sharp selections without trying to draw perfectly straight lines by hand. The third option is the Magnetic Lasso, and this is great when you want a little help detecting edges automatically. It works by snapping to the border of the object as you move your cursor near it, which makes it especially useful for selecting people, products, or objects with clear contrast against the background. You still guide the tool by moving around the object, but Photopea does some of the edge detection for you. For best results, move slowly and carefully so the tool can follow the outline more accurately. If it starts drifting off the edge, you can click to place a point and keep guiding it manually. Once you have made your lasso selection, you may be wondering what to do next. There are a few very common actions. If you want to cut the selected object out cleanly and hide everything else, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Raster Mask icon. This is a clean, non-destructive method because it hides the background without permanently deleting it. It is a great option if you want more flexibility later. If you want to move the selected object onto its own layer, use the shortcut Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. That instantly copies the selected area to a brand new layer. This is one of the fastest ways to isolate something in Photopea, and it is especially useful when you want to resize, reposition, or edit the selection separately from the rest of the image. And if you are finished with the selection and want the marching ants to disappear, just deselect it. Press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac, and the selection outline will be removed. That is a small step, but it keeps your workspace clean and prevents accidental edits to the selected area. So to quickly recap, the Lasso tool is for freehand selections, the Polygonal Lasso is for straight edge selections, and the Magnetic Lasso helps snap to object edges automatically. Once you understand when to use each one, selecting objects in Photopea becomes much easier and much faster. This is one of those tools that seems simple at first, but once you get comfortable with it, it can seriously improve your editing workflow. If you found this Photopea tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.